Hello there. I'm Carla Bello, a realtor with Signature Choice Realty here in Valdosta, Georgia. Hey, are you planning on buying a home this summer? Well, you're probably thinking about what in the world you'll need to do to get your offer accepted in this crazy market, right? Even just a year ago, it was usual for buyers to try and determine how much less than the asking price they could offer to still get the home. The buyer and seller would then negotiate and typically agree on a price that was somewhere between the buyer's bid and the home's initial asking price. However, in today's housing market, things are anything but normal. According to the National Association of Realtors, the average home that's sold today receives 4.8 offers and sells in just 17 days. Homes selling in record speed and receiving multiple offers shows just how competitive the housing market is for buyers right now. Today, the asking price of a home is often the floor of the negotiation rather than the ceiling. Knowing this is very important when it's time to submit an offer. When you found your dream home, you'll want to do everything you can to submit your best offer up front so you can win a potential bidding war. Knowing the current market is key to determining a winning offer. This is where working with an expert real estate advisor becomes crucial. As a realtor, I can help you. I can draw from my experience and my knowledge of today's housing market and assist you throughout the process. I can make sure your offer stands out to sellers. Call me today at 229-379-7205 and let's get your offer accepted on that dream home.